Right, morning. Lots of up today. So, other side of Thirlmere today, parked at Dobbs Gill. We're going to head up to Stye Head. Doesn't look too great up there, so change of plan. We're going to head up to Blea Tarn, see if there's any fish in there, and then head further up to Blea Tarn, because I know there's fish in there. And hopefully we can get a couple of fish on the bank during this trip.
No fishes in the lakes. Stupid and fat hobbits is what it say. Lakes has got lots of fishes. Now he climbs up stupid mountains to get to lakes and fishes.
First tarn of the day. So behind us here, this is Blea Tarn here. Now on the OS map it's not marked that there's any fish in here, but I have seen people fish on videos before. But we're going to carry on up to Blea Tarn. We got a bit of blue sky which is coming out, which is going to be nice. It's blooming warm already, but anyway, let's carry on up the road and let's get up to Blea Tarn. Right, out of the woods, but we're not in the clear. So we've got an incline of about 100 meters now, and then I think we've probably got about 15 minutes up to Blea Tarn, and we're now in the sun, and I am a little bit warm, a little bit of crotch pot cooking. Right then, so here we are, Blea Tarn. Never been to this one before, it looks really fishy. So we'll get the rods out in a bit, just have something to eat and see what damage we can do. Probably going to be another Terry Wogan, but hey ho, we shall have a look. Right, I think we'll have a go at spinning first, I think, because it looks a bit perchy. I think it's due for a change of tactics. I can see there's a few rising actually, and there's a load of caddisfly that are hatching. So we've had nothing on the spinner, so I think we'll do a bit of a Transformers robots in disguise. We'll flick this rod round to a fly rod and see whether we get out that way. nothing as yet. So let's say we've just turned the X5 into a fly rod. We've got a gold-headed nymph on the point, and we've got a daddy on the top there. There are a few fish rising, but nothing is taken at all as yet. But we shall have a little wander around and see whether we can get out. We'll have a bit of a fly swap over. We'll have a go with a big old snake. See whether we can do any damage with that. Right, we'll give the snake a go, see whether we can get anything on this. I very much doubt it though. Pants fishing. So if anyone ever wants to come on a fishing holiday and not catch fish, please give us a look up, wildmark.co.uk, and I can guarantee you won't catch anything. Right, so it's now 1 o'clock. It's come a bit cloudy over the top there now. It's time for some lunch. So today I think somewhere I've got a creamy salmon pasta. So we'll just get some water filtered and boiled up and get stuck into that. Right, salmon and pasta for lunch. Is he? He is caught. Oh, so we haven't blanked completely. It looks like Reese has actually caught a fish over there. It looks like a little brown. Well done, boy. Well done. Well, it's been a cracking few days actually. I've really enjoyed this. Okay, there's been no fish, but hey ho, that is fishing. Right, I think that is the water done. So we'll get this food on the go and we'll sit and just chill for a bit. So that basically wraps up this video, guys. Thank you for watching. It's been a good 4 days up in the Lake District with those 2 retrobaits. Even though the fishing wasn't great, it's been really great to get out and test the new rigged and ready rods and have a go at pack rafting as well. Shame about Blea Tarn and 2 tents broken, but you know, sometimes you've got to go to plan B when it gets a bit dangerous. Someone's got to take that decision. So that's one thing that you can take back from these videos is, you know, it's nothing wrong with turning around and saying, look, come on, let's get down the hill because this is dangerous. But thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button just below there, and as always, a couple of videos there for you to take a look at, and we'll see you next time on the next one.